Today we're installing the Kerma 5-ply inlet hose for 2011 plus TDI Touaregs and Cayennes. This is going on a 2012 TDI, and it will give better performance. It already has the Kerma chip, so this is going to help them tow, give them better performance for off-road. The Kerma kit comes with everything that you need. Comes with the hose clamps and the adapter. Installs right after the airbox, so we're going to get to installing that. So far, no real complication. I took the airbox out to make my life easier. A few clamps, taking this off, and so far we're down in there. I'm also taking these T30s off to remove these plugs, just so that I can access it a little bit easier. Here's a quick comparison of the two. That's the Kerma versus the stock inlet. And this is the Kerma installed. It was slightly challenging down here. There's a couple of bolts that were a 5mm Allen that were challenging for sure. Not impossible, but definitely took some time. So now we'll start it up, see how it sounds. Pretty excited to hear this.